Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wise, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Wise, start by creating an account on the Wise website or app. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the budgeting section, usually found in the menu. Select the option to create a new budget. Decide on the categories you wish to include, such as housing, groceries, and entertainment. Set a monthly spending limit for each category. Input your expected income for the month. Review your total income against your total budgeted expenses. Make adjustments where necessary to ensure your budget is balanced. Use the tracking feature to monitor your spending in real time. As you make purchases, categorize them according to your budget. Check your progress regularly throughout the month. At the end of the month, analyze your spending versus your budget. Identify any areas where you may need to adjust for the next month. Refine your budgeting categories based on your spending patterns. Repeat this process every month to stay on track with your financial goals. With consistent practice, budgeting with Wise will become easier and more intuitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.